Now we'll talk about GSTP, which is similar to TRP of income tax, जिसकी कुछ एलिजिबिलिटीज थी. GSTP के लिए सेक्शन 48 क्या बोलता है? देर आर 4 बेसिक कंडीशंस एंड देन 3 टेक्निकल कंडीशंस जो कि क्वालिफाई करने से यू कैन बिकम GSTP. 4 बेसिक कंडीशंस आर: यू नीड टू बी इंडियन सिटीजन, तुम्हारे पास दिमाग होना चाहिए, यू शुड बी ऑफ साउंड माइंड, नॉट एडजक्टेड एज इंसॉल्वेंट, not been convicted by a competent court, जो कि यार थ्रू आउट द एक्ट ऑफ GST और यू से इनकम टैक्स ये बेसिक 4 5 6 7 कंडीशंस होती है. इसमें याद करने का कुछ था नहीं. नाउ कम्स द पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर, विच बेसिकली 3 कंडीशंस, टेक्निकल कंडीशंस. फर्स्ट इज यू शुड आइदर बी ए रिटायर्ड ऑफिसर ऑफ अ कमर्शियल टैक्स डिपार्टमेंट, या तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का और ऑफ डायरेक्टली CBIC. This point also includes that you must have served as at least a rank B gazetted officer for the past 2 years. Now gazetted officer is a officer जो कि has attestation powers under government and is notified through gazette, उसका appointment वगैरह. Second condition being you should have been a TRP अंडर द प्रीवियस एक्साइज या फिर प्रीवियस इनडायरेक्ट टैक्स का जो भी लॉ था उसके अंदर फॉर एटलीस्ट अ पीरियड ऑफ 5 years, नॉट लेस देन 5 years था बेसिकली. और थर्ड कंडीशन टॉक्स अबाउट एडिशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस दैट माइट enable you to act as a GSTP. Now those qualifications are: first, graduate or postgraduate degree or equivalent examination under commerce, law, bachelor, administration, or degree examination of any foreign university which is recognized by Indian university and is considered at par at those earlier said. Third point is any other examination notified by government on the recommendation of the council. Cliche. Any degree examination of an Indian university or a foreign university recognized by Indian university as equivalent of the degree education. And fifth point is finally the people like us was qualified finals of CA, CMA or CS. Activities which can be undertaken by GSTP will include all the activities that are done by a regular registered taxpayer or required to be done by a registered taxpayer, but upon giving his consent to GSTP, starting from furnishing of details of outward suppliers, which is GST 1, monthly or final return 3B. Right, final return was GSTR 10, yeah, 10. Making deposits into electronic cash ledgers, paying liabilities, going and representing the client like the registered person in front of department in appeals and all, giving information for e-way bills, filing application for changes in registration or cancellation of registration, obviously with the consent of the registered taxpayer. File a claim for refund also with the consent of the registered taxpayer. Intimation of paying tax under composition scheme or coming out of composition scheme for the regular scheme. Those are the most easiest remembering functions that can be done by GSTP. Now when you opt to pay tax, file returns through GSTP, you have to verify every time before he files or submits those returns that the information is correct. The onus is on the registered person and not on the GSTP.